PlayStation 4 Slim. What's going on here is they changed the HDMI port and they're still not getting video. So we're gonna take a look around the port and the encoder and see if we can spot anything, and if not, then we'll just change the encoder. We're going to have to do it from a donor board because these chips are expensive and it's not something I'll eat just for an experiment. So so we'll may have to try this several times and hope it works at one point. But let's see if there's anything in between causing the problem first. Let me make sure my meter is still connected. Do not need to open Power Z. It is. Okay. Let's switch to microscope. And now do some testing here. Check their work first. I did not change this HDMI port, so I can lay no claims to the quality. Not the worst I've ever seen, but I often say sometimes it doesn't have to be pretty to be done. Alright, let's check our filters. Filters seem okay. I doubt this thing will present as bad. It is powering up, it's just getting no image. Yeah. Unfortunately, I may have to throw a Hail Mary at it. What those are. I have to switch the diode to get that. No idea. Let's switch to diode. This is diode. Okay. That seems normal to me. Okay, so like a retimer, it's more of an educated guess at this point. What I'm going to educated guess that it is this encoder. So we're going to pull it, and I need to reset up my temperatures because I was working on something else. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I'm sorry if my volt ohm meter was out during the testing phase. Just know that everything is tested correctly. I just noticed it was blanked out for some reason. I had no idea what was going on. So let me throw up my temps while we get everything set up. All right, I'll switch it back. with. All right. Get most of that unleaded off. Now the tin with our micro pencil. Get everything prepped for the new chip. Good. All right. Let's clean that off. We'll be using fresh flux for the placement. Okay. We'll throw their board aside for the moment. We need to pull one of these donors ones off. no way that I can still see. All right. Again, I don't want to put a lot of direct heat because I don't want to kill the filters either. So we're going to move it, and we'll just be patient about waiting for the solder to wet. Okay, solder is wetting. Let go. That was not the smoothest. That's okay. We'll get it there. Oops. If we don't knock it. Okay, I'll let go for the moment. Get a little more flux in here. Definitely need to get it more in place. Okay, move the air for a minute. Take down. Now we're going to hold it down and reflow one more time. Patiently. Okay. All right. Let's take a quick gander. See how we did. So that looks pretty good. So that looks pretty good. Excellent. And excellent. Okay. Rapid cool. What I mean by rapid cool, I'm just putting it up against my fume extractor. Let's suck the heat off. Okay. Should be safe to clean now. We'll fast forward through the cleaning. Okay, one last inspection before I take it back to the shop. Again, this will have to be one that I update later. And this may take multiple tries. I've already told them it might. All right, we'll take it back to the shop. Okay, we're back for round two. The first chip did not work, so we will go ahead and pull it. And we will do the same routine over again, except this time we do not have to wick or reset anything because this will all be leaded solder. So same temperatures as before. Sure. Focus on. You can't see. I can see well enough. Okay, pull the air, let it dry for a second. Give it place a little bit of downward pressure. Reflow everything. Feel like we're just a little bit off. Oops, that's too much. There we go. Okay, I'm going to connect our meter. I do want to test the filters and make sure we didn't break anything there. Yeah, I think I'm going to go over their HDMI port too. It's solid, but it is not the best soldering job I've ever seen. Okay, filters seem okay. Let's take a look at our chip first. It's really good. Put them in place again. Excellent. I'm looking at it first, but then I'm getting it into focus for you guys. See if I can get this zoomed out. I don't need to be that close. Yeah, everything looks really good. All right, I'm gonna go over their port too. That port looks a little sus actually. I want to check the internals of the port, make sure it wasn't dorked. Yeah, seems solid. All right. Okay. All right, we'll clean this up and send it back, ship it back off to the shop, and hopefully I'll come back with a successful summary. If not, there'll be a round 3. Okay, we did round 2 on the PS4, and I was just informed by the shop that everything checked out great and tested out great. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions about the equipment I used in this video, it's all linked down in the description below. Do me a favor and hit the like button on your way out if you like the video. And if you want to see more videos like it, hit the subscribe button, maybe the notification bell. And you'll know when I post new videos, usually about twice a week. If you have any questions about the video, please comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And that's really all I had to ask of you. See you next time.